Namaste, myself Parul. I am from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. I have just completed my 200 hours training from YTTC from Adiyogpeeth, which is in Rishikesh, Tapovan. So just today I got my certificate. I still remember the first day when I come here. So I was kind of scared because it was very new for me. I'm just 21, so coming for TTC. I've done yoga before, but when I came here, I look a different perspective of yoga. It was very good, like starting from the schedule, it was very different for me. Like waking up in the morning, 5:30 was our class for Hata. So I have done Hata before, but the way Surajji took the class was very good. He specifically focused on the alignment and the posture. Basically, what we do is normal yoga. We don't like go with the alignment. We don't see the proper postures we are going in, but they have a particular perspective about each and every posture. They correct it in a nice way and just try to modify it more and more according to your body. Everybody has its different body, but we do it by the competition, like we have to go, we have to touch our head with the ground, we have to do all the flexibilities. So it's not like that. According to my perspective, coming here, before coming here was this only, just going in 180 degrees, stretching yourself, bucked up yourself. But after coming here, I got to know that the alignment, the posture I was doing was so wrong, and I got to know the right alignment for the postures. Then coming to the philosophy class, I learned a lot from here. Being an Indian, I wasn't knowing the esoteric of the things that Bhaveshji told us. Each and every class of him was new. He got up with every new stuff and he delivered us in such a nice way. So a big thanks for him. Then coming to our Ashtanga class, it was although tough, and Vinodji was very strict about that, but still we enjoyed a lot. We completed the whole primary series of Ashtanga, and yeah, I think I've built up muscles also after Ashtanga, and it was good. So one of my favorite class, that is anatomy and meditation, given by Praveenji. So she is a very nice teacher and very helpful, very caring. So every time she brings a new meditation, I learned a lot. The meditation class was so good for us. Every day we try to do new meditation. Even the last day, I also tried to make people do meditation, and they given me chance to do that. So it was very nice. Coming to the management is very good. The staff here are always ready to help you in any way. Even you call them at night too, they are here only to help you in any way. So it's good, and I feel myself blessed that I did my YTTC in Rishikesh, in this Himalaya surrounding and all the nature stuff. So all it was good, and try to come up here to do any retreat or yoga. So thank you. Namaste.